Hey students, so today's permutation and combination we will study some basic questions related to permutation today. Okay, so directly come to the question. First of all, what is permutation? Permutation means just like a arrangement, of a certain object out of a given object. And this can be written as NER. NER, this is a permutation of R object out of N object. This is an arrangement, and this arrangement order is very most important, means order is necessary. If the order is not important, then that will be a combination, or you make collection or selection. But if the order is required, if the order is given, then that is permutation. And this NER can be written as factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Okay? Now say factorial n equal written as n into n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on, g to 1. This is known as factorial n. Okay? See, if NPR, factorial n upon factorial n minus r, if n equal r, if you are putting n equal r, then this one will become NPN equal factorial n upon factorial 0. And the factorial n, NPN is known as factorial n. So this can be also written as factorial n equal factorial n upon factorial 0. Now the factorial n you may cancel out by the cancellation law, and the result is factorial 0 equal 1, which is very most important result. If someone asks what is the value of factorial 0, then you will say the factorial 0 is 1. Say, suppose that you are going to find factorial 5, and this is to evaluate. It is given to evaluate factorial 5. Then factorial 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, and 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, and 2s are 120. So this is the answer. Okay? So this is the answer, and this is factorial 5. Okay? Come to see some other questions related to permutation. Here the question 1. Here the question is, how many 3-digit numbers with digit 1, 3, 1, the digits are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. These are the digits, and the question is, how many 3-digit number can be formed if the repetition of digit is allowed, or repetition is allowed. Okay? And the second part, repetition is not allowed. There are two parts of this question. The first question is, by using these digits, how many numbers of 3 digits can be formed if the repetition is allowed and if the repetition is not allowed. So see here, how can you frame the number of 3 digits? See, if you are going to make a number of 3 digits, then make a 3 square, 3 boxes here, and you have to fulfill these digits out of these 3 digits in these boxes. Okay? So see here, if you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so the total digits are 6. And if the first one, if you are going to fill here, then out of 6 digits, any digit can be filled here in 6 ways. Any digit can be filled here in 6 ways. Now, the remaining digits are how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are remaining, and these 5 digits, in out of 5 digits, if it is repetition is not allowed, okay, if the repetition is not allowed, then here will be 5 digits, and out of 5 digits, 1 digit can be placed here. So if that digit will be placed, then 2 places already filled, then total 1 places is remaining here, and the digits remaining are 4. So out of 4, 1 digit can be placed here, and in this way, if the repetition is not allowed, then you can find the total number of ways, total number of 3 digits numbers to arrange. Okay, see here. If the repetition is allowed, because here in the first part it is asking repetition is allowed. So out of 6 can be placed here in of 6 ways. Again repetition is allowed, so 6 digit out of 6 any 1 digit can be placed here, and again 6 digits out of 6 any 1 can be arranged here. So this is the total number of ways in which the 3 digits numbers can be formed if the repetition is allowed, and I think the total is 6 is 36 or 6 multiplied 216. This is the total number of 3 digits number if the repetition is allowed. This is answer first. In the second part, if the repetition is not allowed, then how will you solve this question if the repetition is not allowed? Okay? See, if the repetition is not allowed, then there are these boxes, and if you will fill any digit here out of 6, so this can be placed of 6 ways, but this digit which already have filled here will not repeat in these 2 places. So the remainings are 5, and out of 5 any 1 digit can be placed here in 5 ways. Now 2 are already fixed, so 4 digits are remaining, and out of 4 any 1 can be placed here in 4 ways. So this is the total number of ways to find the 3 digits number. So 6 5 are 30, 4 3 are 120. This is the right answer, means 120 3 digit numbers can be obtained if the repetition is not allowed. Okay. See the next part, next question. The next question is, how many digits, 3 digits numbers can be obtained from 0 1 to 3 5 6. 3 5 6. How many 3 digits number can be obtained by using this digit if repetition is not allowed? Repetition is not allowed. Okay? Here, if you will count, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total digits are 6, and we have to find the 3 digits number by using these digits. You know, 0 can never be placed at first places, because if you will place 0 at a first place, then that will not form a 3-digit number. So 0 cannot be placed here. Now the remainings are how much? 5. Out of 5 digits, any one digit can be arranged here in 5 ways. 5 ways can be arranged. Number of 5 ways. Now the remaining digits are again 5, because here 0 will also include. So out of 5, any one can be arranged here in number of 5 ways. Now the 2 digits are fixed, 4 digits are remaining, and out of 4, any one can be arranged here in 4 ways. So the total are 100. This is the number of 3 digits. Any 100 3 digits numbers can be formed by using these digits if the repetition is not allowed. Okay, in the next session. Thank you, students.